Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Discord's old chat bar, or also known as the legacy input. Let's begin. So you would like to revert back and choose to use that layout for your Discord? Yes, we can. Click over here on your user settings. Scroll down. You just need to click on accessibility over here. Okay. Scroll down again. You will see that option. Under chat input, use the legacy chat input. Disables most chat features but may work better with screen readers. So I have this disabled, but if you want this option, go ahead, click on that. Discord will then save and apply those changes immediately. If you ever change your mind, go back here, disable that, and pretty much you can do that anytime. And there's no limit to that, okay? But that's it, you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.